The Beluga XL is able to turn around in just an hour at each of its destinations, a reduction by almost half. It's operated by Airbus Transport International, which covers 11 destinations around Europe, including, of course, Cardiff Airport in Chester, to the Airbus plant at Broadmoor, which is a major contributor to the UK's part of the global aerospace industry, employing 6,000 people, which manufactures wings for almost all of Airbus's commercial designs. This is the first Beluga XL aircraft which undertook a flight test effort and was the second to enter service. And very quiet as well. And that completes the display from the Airbus Beluga XL. Of course, the aircraft very busy on transporting Airbus aircraft sections, so only short appearance, but nonetheless very, very welcome as another UCAT first. Isn't that a real testament to the imagination and the contacts and the hard work of everybody here at CT, and in particular Peter RIAT, the Air Operations Manager, who's worked tirelessly for the last few years, able to bring together a fantastic, diverse display.
Oh, it's an eye. I thought it was a logo, but
yeah, it's couldn't agree more. Large
so yeah, the focus was like
part of RIAT programs going right back to the very start in the early 1970s.
The
That was a great
Fig.
example. Thanks to Anthony Flynn and his crew for bringing us the Beluga XL. But now we turn to another of our rotary wing items, and one we've not seen in a flying display at the Air Tattoo before in the service. This particular air arm, it's a type that's entertained us on many previous occasions, and will do so again.